Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So today in this video we have another performance modification for Himalayan. So I bought this high performance spark plug kit from NGK. So let's start with the unboxing. In the box we had this iridium spark plug. So one by one I will be telling in detail. So this is the resistor cap, this is the copper wire. So apart from this they had given this keychain sticker and this the installation kit and the menu. So in this, as you can see, the contents of the box had NGK spark plug, resistor cap and the low resistance copper wire. So this product I bought it from the website named Bike and Biker. So this costed me around 3000 rupees. So now let's start with the installation. For installation you need to remove this tank. So first you have to place the key and remove the seat. So you have to remove these two bolts here. So let me remove it. To remove this you need 10 mm spanner. Now to remove the tank, what we have done is first you need to remove this. This goes to the fuel pump and you have to remove this fuel pipe. Apart from that you have another connection, this one. This also you have to remove. Then there's another pipe, this one, and there's one pipe here, the connection which goes, let me turn and show it in that side. So here, so this one also you have to remove. So once you remove all this, the tank will come out. In order to change this spark plug wire and this one, we have to remove all this. So this one is directly connected to this. So first we need to remove this. Then we'll change it. Now I have removed these two bolts. So once you remove this, you have a socket here. You need to remove this as well. So this will come out separately. I will collect it from this side. So this is the main spark plug cable, and this one I will be changing now. To remove this spark plug, you will have this tool which is given in the toolkit itself. You have to just install this in this way. So you make sure you keep it properly like this, and you can use any screwdriver and you can loosen it directly here. So make sure you don't damage any engine paint as well while doing it. So let me loosen it now. You make sure you turn this one in anti-clockwise direction to loosen it. So as you can see, this is completely almost, I have done 17,000 kilometers. There is little carbon deposition. You can buy this spark plug separately as well. So make sure you buy it from a genuine buyer because you get a lot of duplicate in market. So separate cost, it will cost around 830 rupees. So this product is made in Japan, as you can see. So let me open it. So this is the thing, model you need, CR8E1X. This is the model you need for Himalayan. So the advantages of using this one is in this spark plug, if you compare with the stock, let me show it one by one. The stock one is either nickel, chromium or iron based one. So this is based out of iridium, which is 6 times harder and 8 times stronger compared to the stock one. And this can resist the temperatures up to 2454 degrees Celsius. So the advantage of having is it has finer acceleration and the smoothness is increased, and this also increased fuel efficiency as well. So comparatively this one lasts around 15 to 20,000 kilometers, but this one will last up to 1,00,000 of kilometers. And since there is using of this iridium material, there won't be any carbon deposition here in iridium, but in stock one you will have a lot of carbon deposition. So that will also, this will also help in increased mileage and smoothness as well. So this is the NGK spark plug resistor cover. If you see the stock, this is of normal plastic or rubber material itself. So the advantage of using this is, let me open this. So as you can see, The quality is really good. The advantage of using this is whenever there is any load variances, right, the resistance across this one will be constant, and this can withstand much more variations compared to the normal one, any overload conditions as well. So apart from that, you can see the quality of the rubbers also is made of good material, so that there won't be any leakage or water moisture content which is coming up here. So that's the reason I went for this resistor cap. Coming to the wire as well, this one will maintain constant resistance compared to this during any overload conditions, and the quality of this one also is really good. As you can see, this also waterproof and everything, there won't be any moisture deposition. Now let me move on to the installation. To install this wire, you have to just push it and turn it around 3 to 4 times so that it is very tight. So in the stock one, here you will be getting a washer kind of thing to prevent any moisture or water insert. So what you have to do is you have to insert into this and install to the main unit. So I have installed this rubber in this main unit. So now I'll install this one here. Now I have attached this one. So this cable, as you can see, it is directly attached in this unit now. So now let me fix this. So what you have to do is, I have to press this. You have to press it a little more. Now the installation is completed. Make sure you route it inside this only so that it doesn't touch the engine head. So this one is done. Now let me put all the tank and crank it. So now NGK plug and this one is completely installed. As you can see, this is completely done. Now let me crank it. All working fine. So if you have any queries regarding this NGK spark plug and the resistor which I have used, please comment down below. So in next video I will be installing Fuel-X. So if you like my content, please do like, share and subscribe. So yeah, thank you all.